In this section, I wanted to talk about something I alluded to earlier in the video series, where it's the 60 millimeter blade, I think, is the most misused blade size in our hobby. And the reason why is it's just too big for what most of us are using it for. It's just a misuse of the tool. And if you're doing it, no shade, I understand. There's a lot of reasons why someone would think that it would make sense. I talked a little bit about it before, but when you look at these two side by side, and I'm going to open them both up safely and put them together, okay? But when you look at where the surface points are on each of these blades, you're tighter and more focused on the smaller blade. That's the purpose. This bigger one is for those bigger projects, those heavier, denser fabrics, higher stacks. So when we're talking about that, we're talking about denim, fleece, and flannel, stacking it high. Because here's the thing that's important. I'm going to go ahead and simulate this for us for just a second here, and I'm going to show you what I mean. And this is a math thing for me. So I'm going to open this one up, and I'm going to lock it in place. And I'm going to put it up against my ruler here, and I'm going to use this small square. Now this is a 2.5 inch Omni Grid. Okay, we all have probably seen this one before. When I put it up against it, and I go backwards, we're going about 1.25 inches to the center of gravity on this blade. So that's how far the center of gravity is from the surface where you're making your cuts at minimum. That's with no fabric. If I have fabric, it's going to extend a little bit more and it's going to be wider. So your center of gravity is too high for a lot of what we're doing in our cuts. We have more surface here making contact, okay, which requires more pressure, okay? When we go conversely to the smaller blade, the 45 millimeter workhorse, we now see that when we put that on there, we're less than oops, flip it over here. Okay, we're just less than an inch away from the center pivot, okay? And so that difference in height is what I'm talking about. Remember, your blade is up against a very thin ruler most of the time, or template, and so anything you do this way is going to affect your cut. The higher you get on your center of gravity, you're farther away from the surface, okay? And this is where I see cuts where they're out here and then she tails off, or we're here and we're coming in sideways and we're riding funky along the unit here as we go across. So I just think the 60 is, while it's a nice handy tool, most of the time, if you were just cutting 4 layers or less, stick with the workhorse, stick with the 45. You'll be much happier. Your center of gravity, you don't have as much wiggle. You're not going to get the bevel. You're not going to get the shredding on your fabric when you're going at it from a different angle, because it's just really hard to maintain a perfect 90 here, okay? That is the next step on that conversation. And like I said, I just want to get a little more detailed because I made that statement earlier.